Hello friends, my name is Dhiren Patel. Today I am going to show you how iced tea project will works, how to prepare the recipe, how can you maintain the machine for all these iced tea project. So hey friends, let's start with this pasteurizer tank. This tank is a multi-purpose tank. You can see this is a mixing cum pasteurizer tank. In this tank, we mix the material. So in this application, we are using this tank for melting the sugar. So before melting the sugar or before make the recipe, I can give you some strict instruction which you would like to follow before start the production. Before start the recipe, what we have to do, let me give you some strict instruction which you have to follow. Otherwise there will be a possibility to damage the machine. So hey my friends, you have to consider this point carefully. Which you are seeing, this is a 3-layer 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 tank. Inside the tank there is a stunner, the second one there is a tank with the water, third one there is a tank with a glass full. So this is the 3-layer 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 tank. For mix up the material we are using the agitator, and for run the agitator with high speed we are using a 2 horsepower of heavy motor which is controlled by a variable frequency drive. We are giving this panel where you can control the temperature as well as you can control the speed of the motor. So let me show you the panel. Look at the panel of this tank. This is the very simple panel. You can see that 𝑟𝑦𝒏, the 3-phase connection. This is the temperature controller where you can see the temperature of your material. This is the machine off. This is the heater on. This is the power on. Here you can start the agitator, or for the run that agitator we are using the motor. And for control that speed of that motor, we have putting the variable frequency drive inside that panel, and here is the speed controller. Here you can increase or decrease the speed. Now you can see as I already show you, we have already started the heater. Once we start the heater, you can see the temperature. Here you just feed the water in the second layer of the tank, which is used to do the heating. Before start this heater, you have to feed water inside this tank. This is the inlet connection of tank where water will go inside of second layer. When you start the heater, water will boil and there will be a vaporization. Once vapor will be generated and the helping of vapor, the inside material will be melt. For ready your recipe, take the pure water, then take the sugar, then take your flavor. And when tank will be filled with everything, you can start the agitator. Once you start the agitator, everything will be mixed. Now we have giving the option for increase the temperature or auto cut off of the heater. So when you start the heater, automatically temperature will be increased. Here in this second tank we are using water, so that's why the maximum temperature you can get for the heating, that will be 75 to 80. If you want more than 100, then you should use the oil as well.